Genesis chapter 34. One day, Jacob's daughter Dinah, the child of Leah, went out to meet and spend time with the young women of the land. While she was there, the local prince, Shechem, saw her. He was the son of Hamor, the ruler of that area. Shechem was drawn to Dinah, but instead of approaching in a respectful way, he acted wrongly and mistreated her. Afterwards, Shechem said he wanted to marry Dinah. He even spoke kindly to her and begged his father Hamor to arrange the marriage. Hamor went to Jacob to discuss the matter. At first, Jacob kept quiet until his sons returned from the fields. When they heard what happened, Dinah's brothers were furious because their sister had been dishonored. Hamor tried to make peace, saying, "Let my son marry your daughter and let's join our families. You may live in our land, buy property, and trade freely." Shechem himself added, "I will give whatever bride price you ask. Just let me marry Dinah." Jacob's son answered with deceit. They said, "We cannot give our sister to someone who is not circumcised. If you and your men are circumcised, then we can intermarry and become one people." Hamor and Shechem agreed. They convinced all the men of their city to undergo circumcision, saying it would bring prosperity and unity with Jacob's family. But on the third day, when the men were in pain, Simeon and Levi, Dinah's brothers, attacked the city. They killed Shechem, Hamor, and all the men. Then Jacob's other sons joined in, plundering the city, taking flocks, goats, women, and children. When Jacob heard of this, he rebuked Simeon, Levi. He said, "You have brought trouble on me. Now the people of this land will hate us and attack us. We are few in number, and they may destroy us." But Simeon and Levi answered boldly, "Should he have treated our sister like a prostitute?" And that is how Genesis 34 ends, with a story of dishonor, deception, violent revenge, and a father worried about the safety of his family.